A few years ago, we decided to expand our garden and build 6 raised garden beds in the backyard of our suburban home. We had a small garden to start with, but our passion for gardening started to outgrow our space. These 6 beds have been providing us with a lot of growth over the last 2 years, and it's that time of the year to plant garlic. In the past, we purchased garlic from the store or have been gifted garlic from family, but this year we wanted to know what varieties we are planting and try some new varieties of garlic that we've read about online. We purchased this variety pack off of Etsy from BJ Gourmet Garlic Farm. Each year we plant in the fall before the cold weather rolls in and roughly harvest around the 4th of July. The garlic we went with this year is Russian Red, Music, Italian, German Red, and German White. We chose to plant all hardneck varieties this year because in years prior we mainly planted softneck. This is how we plan to lay out each variety in the first 2 garden beds. Garlic is one of our favorite items to grow in our garden.
Garlic
down. Oh, they smell good. This is the Music?
Yeah, these are the ones that I was mostly excited for.
Oh man, they smell great.
Okay. Yeah, so these are the ones that I really was excited the most about. They just smell so good.
They smell hard like that. I've heard good things about this variety.
I think the German Whites and the Musics are the 2 most excited for.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go plant these bad boys.
Let's put them in the ground.
Oh, I almost just eat it.
Pull it out, Ken.
Yeah. I like that we got a variety. So that I can try all these. These are big.
German White.
That's right.
Let's go.
Alright, German Reds are the yellow tag. We're going to put them right next to the German Whites. So here's this one for you.
Oh,
we only got 2 of them, yeah. So. Those next. Look at that. Hard tag.
Oh my word, I'm having a hard time.
It looks like a straw.
I'm excited to do it this way because I feel like every year we kind of don't know what we're getting.
I like this a lot. Plus this is all organic, so we know that's... How many closes do we got? I got 2, 4, 6, 7. 7.
5.
It's gonna be 2 rows, well, 2 extra.
Just because it's a little more shaded, but I feel like the tomatoes did well over there.
You should just label it like you said. But
1, you did Russian,
purple one first.
So German White, German Red.
Yep.
And then
we have half a bed, and those German Whites filled up half of it. So I feel like if we do these red ones, it might fill up the rest. Those are Russian Reds. We could do all the, like, excuse me. Like a horn or something just went off. We put all the, like, German, Russian, like the country names.
Music and Italian in their own. Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, so we're on Russian Red now. Pop her all.
These are like long looking.
Long nails.
These are long garlics. Why is such a long garlic?
It's just a long face.
These are way longer, aren't they? Look at that.
Oh, that worked really well.
Look at that neck.
I just
Ooh,
slip
down.
my finger down.
Slide it down. Here, ready?
Finish my second course.
That's it. First, you gotta like get started, right?
Yeah, take out the one layer.
All right, here we go. Thumb under.
Oof. Why do I feel like I could see it being like a splinter or something?
I do it. Yeah.
You know,
Garlic
like
up
the
the nail.
splinter of a rose. That would be horrible.
Here it is. Italian garlic going in next.